Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explaining mathematics 1 in this unit 1 matrices. So first, what is the definition of matrix? So matrix is nothing but arrangement of real or complex numbers in horizontal or vertical. So that is arrangements of real or numbers in rows. So this is the definition of matrix. So in mathematical definition, system of mn numbers. So here mn numbers is nothing but these numbers are real or complex numbers arranged in the form of ordered set of m rows. So here m denoted rows and n is ordered set of numbers. So m rows, each row consisting of an ordered set of n numbers. So between parentheses, so the matrix is denoted by closed bracket or open bracket, or these parentheses is called a matrix. So the matrix arrangement of matrix is, here I am taking m cross n matrix. So the number of elements in a matrix is nothing but number of rows and columns. So the horizontal lines, these are called rows and vertical columns. So in this, here m rows and n columns. So mn is the size of our matrix. So here a11, a12, a1n. So this is nothing but here one row, first element, first row, second element, and first row, nth element. So same way here mth row, first column, this is mth row, second, mth row, nth column. So this is the matrix formation. So once again I am explaining the definition of matrix, that is arrangement of real or complex numbers in rows and columns. These are called matrix. So here I am taking one example of matrix, that is 7 5 2 3 4 10. So this is the matrix. So here how many rows and columns? Here 2 rows and 3 columns. So this is 2 by 3 matrix. So one more example, 2 3 4 5 6 7. So in this how many rows? Here 3 rows and 3 columns. Sorry, 3 rows and 2 columns. So this is the matrix definition. So coming to the types of matrices. So here first type of matrices, that is square matrix. So this is a important. So square matrix, the definition of square matrix is a matrix in which the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. That is called a square matrix. So in this matrix, number of rows is equal to number of columns. So that is nothing but a matrix which is in the form of 2 by 2 or 3 by 3, m by m. So here rows are 2 and columns are also 2. So 3 3. So m rows, m columns. So which in this matrix rows and columns are equal. So I am taking one example. So first I am taking 2 by 2 matrix, that is 2 1 3 5. So in this 2 rows and 2 columns. So again I am taking 3 by 3. So that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is 3 by 3 matrix. So one more, 7 8 9. So in this is 3 by 3 matrix, 3 rows and 3 columns. So this is the square matrix. Next, coming to the next matrix, that is rectangle matrix. So rectangular matrix is nothing but a matrix which is not a square matrix, is called a rectangular matrix. So that is, so in this matrix number of rows is not equal to number of columns. Number of rows is not equal to number of columns. So that is called a rectangular matrix. So here I am taking one example, that is 3 2 1 5 4 3. So in this how many rows here? So rows are 2 and how many columns? 3 columns. So this is 2 by 3 matrix. So here rows are 2 and columns are 3. So these are not equal. Then this is a rectangular matrix. Next one, row matrix. So row matrix is nothing but a matrix which is having only one row. A matrix which is having only one row, that is called a row matrix or row vector. So example 7, 3, 2. So in this only one row and how many columns here? 3 columns. Next one, column matrix. A matrix which is having only one column is called a column matrix. Here I am taking one example. So column matrix example 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this how many rows here? Rows are 4 and column is only 1. So this is called column matrix. Next, coming to the next matrix, that is zero matrix or null matrix. Here zero matrix is nothing but all the elements of a matrix are zeros, then that matrix is called zero matrix. So every element of null matrix is 0, then that matrix is called a zero matrix. So here I am taking example. All elements are zeros. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is null matrix. So order here 3 rows and 3 columns. So one more example here. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. So how many rows here? Here these are 2 rows and how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So all the elements of a matrix are zeros, then that matrix is called null matrix or zero matrix. Next, coming to the next matrix, that is identity matrix. So this is also important. A square matrix in which all the principal diagonal elements are unity. All the principal diagonal elements are unity and the rest of elements are 0, then that matrix is called a unit matrix or identity matrix. So the identity matrix of order n is denoted by here In. So therefore, what is principal diagonal elements? So principal diagonal elements is nothing but, so principal diagonal, that is in a square matrix the elements of top left to the bottom right to the corner is known as a principal diagonal. Here I am taking one example. So square matrix, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 3 by 3 square matrix. So in this here top left to the right corner, so that is here 1, 5, 9. So the 1, 5, 9 are called principal diagonal elements. So these principal diagonal elements are 1 and remaining elements are zeros, then that matrix is called identity matrix. So here I am taking one example of identity matrix, that is I2. I2 is nothing but 2 by 2 square matrix. So that is 1, 0, 0, 1. So here principal diagonals are 1 and 1 and rest of the elements are zeros. Next I3. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So here also principal diagonals are 1 and remaining elements are 0. So this is 2 by 2 matrix and this is 3 by 3 matrix. Next one, equal of matrices, that is equality of two matrices. So let us take two matrices that are A and B. So A matrix, that is Aij, and B matrix is also Aij. So if the two matrices are said to be equal, then there are same order. The two matrices of are same order and each element of A is equal to the corresponding element of B. Then that matrix is said to be equality of matrices. So here I am taking one example of equality of matrices. That is, here I am taking A matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 2 by 2 matrix, and I am taking B matrix. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 by 2 matrix. So these two are equal matrices because these two matrices have the same order. So that is 2 by 2, and the corresponding element of A is same to the corresponding element of B. Second condition. So that is here one corresponding element is here 1, and the corresponding element of 2 is 2, and corresponding element of 3 is 3, and also corresponding element of 4 is 4, same. So these two A and B matrices is called equality of matrices. Hope you are all understood this topic. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.